Thank you.
Sioni wakulima wa Bungoma kwa
Sasa natosha I want to take this opportunity.
Kamati ya elimu
mkulima
na mkulima mashuhuri. What is also choking the revamped sugar mills is reckless importation of sugar. Yes. And you, if you are the apex body, you must spiral back to the farmer. If the mill is milling and selling, the farmer will be paid. If the mill is milling and piling sugar and not selling, even the 1 week payment routine will collapse. Because he has to mill, sell his sugar, pay the farmer, pay his workers, and meet his obligations. Our constitution says the foundation of our nation is the strong family. And if the family is able to live on their land, feed their children, take their children to school without bothering anybody, that is the country we want. Self-dependence for everybody. And I know for sure that cane farming is profitable if it is well managed.
Mkulima wa miwa amekuwa one of the poorest persons in this country. Ukiangalia kwa wakulima wote wa coffee, wa majani na wa sukari, unapata mkulima wa miwa ndio maskini kwa wote. Then you ask yourself why. If I can have a plant sugarcane for 20 acres, why am I so poor? You find that the production system and even the laws zinatuumiza, especially when it comes to sugar pricing.